Is the EU's Green Deal already dead? Once a beacon of hope, Europe's ambitious environmental plan is now facing a shocking rollback. Campaigners are sounding the alarm. Environmental protections are being dismantled at lightning speed. This isn't just a minor setback, it's a potential disaster for our planet's future. The focus has shifted from sustainability to competition, watering down crucial policies designed to protect our ecosystems and biodiversity. Imagine the very laws meant to safeguard our forests, oceans, and wildlife are being weakened. This could accelerate habitat loss and push more species to the brink of extinction. The consequences are global. What happens in Europe impacts migratory birds, marine life, and the delicate balance of our shared natural world. This isn't just about policy. It's about the survival of countless species and the health of our planet. Yet hope isn't lost. Across Europe, dedicated conservationists and local communities are fighting back, advocating for stronger protections and innovative green solutions. Their tireless efforts remind us that collective action can still turn the tide. They prove that environmental progress is possible when we stand united. Their work is a powerful testament to the enduring spirit of conservation. Our future truly hangs in the balance. It's time to stand up and demand real action before it's too late. If you believe in protecting our planet, like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more vital updates on wildlife and nature conservation.